We recognised about 18 months ago now the need for some kind of tax determination engine. That was for use on our e-commerce platforms, but also for our back office functions. THG is fast, it's agile. We needed a partner that could come in the trenches with us. We, as an e-commerce retailer, we have an extreme amount of volume going through the system at any one time. I needed a system that could cope with the volume, that could assign taxes real time, accurately, so that what my tax team were then seeing and what the consumer was seeing was the right tax values, and that was really important to us. I have 50,000 rules manually maintained by my team centrally, and it got to the point where we said, how are we going to deliver something that can meet the needs of the business? Because we're outgrowing these systems so quickly. We need something that meets the needs of the group and will continue to meet the needs of the group for the next 5, 10 years and beyond. Yes, there's multi-layers of customers in a THG environment. So you have your consumers, and what we know they want to be able to see on the front end platform is the taxes that they're anticipating in incurring. So them being able to see, certainly for US and Canadian markets, what's the value, what's the gross price that I'm going to pay on the website. But also across EMEA, where we won't have a net pricing model as you work through the website. The customer will always see the gross price as they pass through, but seeing how much of that is made up of tax is actually important on that customer journey. So we wanted to make sure the solution met the needs for the consumers, those shopping on the platform itself. And then we have our marketplace customers, our businesses that are using the platform and selling on the platform. And for them, being able to display tax to the consumer at the checkout, being able to have accurate data in their systems in relation to these sales, and also where we're marketplace and have to declare and remit the taxes ourselves, we found that the accuracy is going to be far improved. And the service that we can deliver to those clients to say the tax is going to be right, because we're no longer relying on an outdated core set of rules. We've got this agile system instead, but also we can have consumer invoicing delivered for you now as standard. It was important for us that tax had its own ecosystem, and actually the design of how we're using the Vertex solution is very much a global central service that can talk to any THG system, knowing that compliance is available, got your tax determination, invoicing modules. All of that is really important to me to say, here's our tax ecosystem. Here I might have the right people in the right places to be able to support that, but a single source of technology will support us across the group. And that's what I was looking for at the time, and I think I feel that that's what I'm delivering to the group. Because it's not just our e-commerce platform, for example. We have a big B2B business, and our global procurement is all going to be using the same Vertex Cloud solution. So all important for us that it felt like one product. And I actually managed to go back to the group and say, hey, by the way, we can meet our needs of this tax determination piece that I've been ranting on about for such a long time, but also how about I can meet the needs of our consumer invoicing in a way that the group thought we couldn't before. We thought we were going to need 2 separate solutions for that. So that was very exciting and a nice message to deliver back to the business.